What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So y'all see what we got going on today, man. My little bro did a shakedown R&B, but this time on the slicks. We getting to him on the slick this time. Y'all know last time he shut down Big Dolo, man, on the wheel, first pad ever and first time driving the car. So matter of fact, it was funny. This his first time driving R&B ever too. So his first time gonna be making a shakedown. Little bro first time driving my car, he make a shakedown, man. So we finna get him on camera, see what to it. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, little bro, what about to go on, man?
Hey, if y'all saw the video, ain't no if, I know y'all saw it. A few weeks ago I shut down Dolo. Now we about to shake down R&B.
Yes, sir.
So we on them sticky tie today.
It going down.
So foot brake. That's all I want right now.
Foot brake. No two-step.
No two-step. I'm liable to get up and grab the two-step, not let out the brake.
Yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot going on.
I'm trying to get my pass in. So foot brake. Y'all stay tuned. We about to go ahead and shake this thing down.
It's going down.
Wake up every day, bank account straight. LG like cell phones, yeah, my life great. Stacks in my pocket every day I wake up. Fuck y'all niggas, I done got my cake up. My bank account straight, your bank account straight. 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 I wanna live great like the rich folks do. Have everything that I ever wanted to. Buy me a crib and my mama too. You ain't gotta struggle, I'ma take care of you. Ball on a daily, I ain't never had shit. For pain and strife, that's in my past, bitch.
Hey, boy, R&B feel good, boy. Oh. Hey, R&B feel good, man. This thing here, a little animal. Yeah, I like the way this car feel. That thing tired of that, boy. Hey, y'all know I used to have the N10 Big Papa. I told Jay he gonna mess around and make me get back in this. And every time we go to the track, little bro, you gonna drive one, little bro. Boy, this thing here feel good, boy. Yeah, I can already see myself in about 6 more months. I ain't drove now with no slicks on it in a little minute. That thing feel good on them slick. Them slick feel good, boy. That thing hooked up.
All right, man. Look, little bro just got out the car. What you think?
Again, y'all saw the GoPro footage. Y'all heard what I said on the GoPro. Every time we come to the track, big bro be like, "Little bro, you gotta drive one on. You gotta drive one on." He might hit me in the week. If you go Friday, we gonna take 2 on.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, I have another race car in a minute. Fool
Hey, he going down.
But look,
hey.
RnB feel too good, man. I ain't driving before the remix.
That's what I said. That's what I told him.
Now,
Yeah.
hey, I left the line, boy. They sent that blood back. Head got light. I said, this bitch rhyme, boy.
Hey, that's what I said.
Man.
That's what I said in the intro. I said, man, this little bro first time driving it.
Yeah.
And then his first time racing it. Just like Dolo.
Right.
Hey,
but
it's going down.
that car more simpler than Dolo. Dolo was on hard tires, so we were trying some.
Yeah, it is.
But, you know, with the slicks, either gonna light the tires up or it gonna go.
Oh,
that thing
more
stuck.
Y'all, we gone.
Yeah,
we gone.
RnB feel good, man. I appreciate Big Bro for letting me drive him, really.
Oh yeah, you know you had to drive, man.
Yeah.
We got hit brown coat next.
Oh yeah, brown coat. Hey.
Brown coat then meats, but we gonna keep it on the hush, y'all.
Wait
We're gonna keep it on the hush. Wait a minute. Not too much info.
I ain't never drove no big block car ever. I always done drove small block car. Hey. Woo,
Hey, we about to go all the way digital, man.
Hey, that big block gonna be a whole nother animal.
Yes,
so if y'all
sir,
see
boy.
me sitting in meat on with the steering wheel like this, y'all know what's going on.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all ever seen no car? You gotta sit close to the steering wheel, cause that thing all they gonna do is do this.
Yeah, that's it. It
Boy,
going down.
I'm gonna be on the ride of my life, boy. I'm gonna reach down there and slap that shifter. Boom!
Hey. Oh boy.
But nah, for real though, man, I had fun though. Like for real, every time I have fun. Anytime you get to go fast, it's fun.
Most definitely.
At a safe place now, don't
Yeah,
be doing this
exactly,
all day.
man. Most definitely.
Go to Mexico to the track. Don't be on the highway trying to do this.
That's it, man. That's all we do. We about safety, man.
Right, for sure.
So look, y'all, we had to get a little bro on there. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, cause I'm crank the radio back up. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, this the next day. I realized I ain't closed the video out, man. I can't leave y'all like that. But y'all seen my little bro, man. He had a ball, man. He enjoyed driving the car, man. I like seeing my family, man, have fun and stuff too. And you know, I like everybody get content and have some fun or whatever, man. Cause I be appreciating what they do and stuff a lot. So little bro enjoyed himself, man. He went up through there. It wasn't a race. I know people probably wonder like why y'all be sitting there. I told y'all, man, we sit there cause we be having fun, testing, making content. If I go down with somebody, most of the time I know them. Like y'all saw the video of me. I went down beside that Monte Carlo, my boy Jonte, and no, I cannot beat that car. I cannot beat that car, man. I know about that car. That's a nice ride. I told you I tried to buy it. I did close to buying it, but then he ended up wanting to keep it. But it's a nice car, so nah, I can't beat that car. Like I said, I ain't got no problem. It's more car than me. But he a true street car. He ride good. But like most of the time, and little bro basically trying to get a feel on the launch. You know, rolling in on the two-step and stuff, making sure the car don't push forward and stuff. So it was more so racing ourselves. You know, just trying to get a ticket and all of that. That most of the time we doing, trying to get a faster ticket, man, getting y'all some content. Then we'll catch one race while we there, a couple of races or something. We'll, go down with somebody, all of that, man. But, it's all love at the end of the day and fun. The main thing is all of us had a good time, man. We came back in one piece. RnB came back in one piece, man. She took that with no problem. And we drove it down there. Took them wheels off. Went up through there, made about 4 hits. And came back and ain't missed a beat. And let everybody play it in because little bro, I made 2 hits. And then, we had the little oil down. So if it wasn't for that, we're going to make some hits on the rims too. Like, we're going to go up through there on the rims too. But you know, next time y'all catch that and stuff, we're gonna try to get it more dialed in on the wheel. But I love R&B because it's just the perfect balance of power, man. Like, it's in that sweet spot where it ain't too much and it ain't too little. That's what I love about R&B, man. Like, it ain't too much and it ain't too little, whatever. It's just the right amount. You know, that's what I be telling people, man. Like, I see some of y'all in the comment be wanting me to make the car faster. I have no plans of making that car faster than what it is. I'm telling y'all now, like, absolutely no plans, because I got a perfect balance in my fleet. And when you got a perfect balance, you don't mess with it. I mean, every car got its place. Like, why have 2 or 3 cars that run in the same area code? Like, you don't do that in race. I don't know if people on here, some people do. Some people seriously race, but I know this. The average person walking around ain't got as many cars as I got. I know that. I mean hot rods, like cars that actually go out there and perform. I got 5 cars that are fast. That are fast for true street car. I got 5 cars that can go out there and perform, and everybody has its place. So it's like, it serves no purpose trying to make everything fast as possible. Like, I get it where I want, and then I leave right there, because I got pretty much every area code covered. So it like, why mess with it? So R&B will always remain the slowest car. It's the prettiest. It's a nice car. Like, when you go to adding more stuff on the car, man, it ain't as fun to drive as people think. When you go to, like, right now, that car is quiet, super quiet in the inside. It's still smooth. It's faster now. It's a lot faster. If you can't see that from the old videos, can't see. But she is a lot faster than what she is. But it's a pleasure to drive. Like I said, I mean, it still got the same street manners as it did with the old setup. So it's still a pleasure to drive. And that engine, for what that engine is, and as small as cubic inches as it is, it's impressive. Believe me, it's impressive. And I'm going to tell y'all the times in the car, I always share stuff with y'all on that car. But for that engine to be one of the smaller engines, I'm telling you, way smaller than anything I'm going to line up beside of, I guarantee. It's way smaller than anything I'm going to be set beside. I promise y'all, I will damn near put money on that. Any engine, unless it's a 4-cylinder or something, or 6-cylinder, but V8 probably going to be the smallest thing out of everything I ever see beside at the track. That thing impressive, man. It's impressive. And I mean, for it to be on 93 octane, yeah, you can make it faster. You could spin it harder. You can give it got a lot of timing pulled out of it. I ain't gonna show the timing curve and stuff, but it got a lot of timing. The map pulling a lot of timing out of it, so it'll run on 93, and you don't want to detonate the old blowers. But I could put some racing gas in it and give it more timing, and it'll make a lot more power on that same boost. Like, it make like 6 pounds of boost, and it'll make a lot more power with more time. But ain't no need, man. It's sweet spot and stuff, and y'all know it still got little things I got to do. Like, I definitely gotta I'm gonna address the exhaust system, cause it's too small. The 1.25" headers, they're just too small, man. There's basically a step up from a stock manifold, so it need to breathe better. That's just what it needs, man. So I'm gonna do that. But like, stuff internally, I'm not trying to make the car faster. I mean, whatever it pick up from the exhaust upgrade, it's gonna pick up, and I'm probably gonna address that fuel line. Well, ain't no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Dash 8 on there like I originally planned, cause I knew it was gonna need it, man. That's why I went and bought it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that Dash 8, because that's gonna save your engine too. You don't want to run out of fuel on top side, and some junk run lean, and then you pop a piston. So, you know, they're just a safety thing. Like, they're just protection of yourself too. Yeah, it gonna pick up a little bit, but I'm doing it because I need to do it, or whatever. Not because I have to do it. I need to do it. Like, at this point, it's a need, and I'm not doing it because I'm just trying to go faster. So, in the exhaust, man, when I put the calipers on and saw how small the headers is, I was like, they got to come off, man. It's too small. So, it's gonna pick up a little more. The car did exactly what I predicted it to do. I actually been right about all my cars. When I got finished with every build, I've been right about all of them when I called the timeout. I was on the money with every last one of my cars. Only one I got to put meets together. When I get meets together, I'm gonna see. But I've been right. I've been right about everything else on what the cars are running. So yeah, that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. BCG, we out.